Dove lavoravi prima di iniziare qui? Where did you work before you started here? Where did you work before you started here? Dov'è l'ultimo posto in cui hai viaggiato? Where's the last place you traveled? Where's the last place you traveled? Vuoi unirti a me? Will you join me? Will you join me? Non vuoi bere? Won't you have a drink? Won't you have a drink? Faresti qualcosa per me? Won't you do something for me? Won't you do something for me? Ti andrebbe di andare al cinema stasera? Would you like to go to the cinema tonight? Would you like to go to the cinema tonight? Sei un amico di George? Are you a friend of George? Are you a friend of George? Esci questa sera? Are you going out this evening? Are you going out this evening? Ti stai divertendo? Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? Lavori ancora per Apple? Are you still working for Apple? Are you still working for Apple? Bella giornata, vero? Beautiful day, isn't it? Beautiful day, isn't it? Posso farti una domanda? May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? Possiamo metterci al lavoro? Can we get down to business? Can we get down to business? Puoi dedicarmi qualche minuto per favore? Can you spare me a few minutes, please? Can you spare me a few minutes, please? Hai sentito la notizia oggi? Did you hear the news today? Did you hear the news today? Fai sport nel tempo libero? Do you do any sport in your free time? Do you do any sport in your free time? Hai voglia di bere? Do you feel like a drink? Do you feel like a drink? Hai qualche hobby? Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies? Di cosa sei preoccupato? What are you worried about? What are you worried about? Cosa posso fare per lei? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Cosa ne pensi del cibo qui? What do you think of the food here? What do you think of the food here? Cosa ne pensi del nuovo iPhone? What do you think of the new iPhone? What do you think of the new iPhone? Conosci molte persone qui? Do you know many people here? Do you know many people here? Sai che ore sono, per favore? Do you know what time is it, please? Do you know what time is it, please? Ti dispiace se ti chiedo un favore? Do you mind if I ask you for a favor? Do you mind if I ask you for a favor? Ci siamo già incontrati? Have we met before? Have we met before? Sei mai stato qui prima d'ora? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? Hai letto qualche buon libro di recente? Have you read any good books recently? Have you read any good books recently? Ciao, sono Lisa. Volevo presentarmi. Hi, I'm Lisa. I wanted to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Lisa. I wanted to introduce myself. Quali programmi TV ti piace guardare? What TV shows do you like to watch? What TV shows do you like to watch? Qual è stato l'ultimo concerto a cui sei andato? What was the last concert you went to? What was the last concert you went to? Cosa ti va di bere? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Cosa hai combinato ultimamente? What you been up to lately? What you been up to lately? Cosa ti porta qui? What brings you here? What brings you here? Come vanno le cose? How are things? How are things? Come va? How are you getting on? How are you getting on? Come sei diventato un insegnante? How did you become a teacher? How did you become a teacher? Come la conosci? How do you know her? How do you know her? Quanti anni ha il tuo bambino? How old's your baby? How old's your baby? Com'era il traffico stamattina? How was the traffic this morning? How was the traffic this morning? Com'era il tempo a Londra quando sei partito? How was the weather in London when you left? How was the weather in London when you left? Come vanno gli affari? How's business? How's business? Mi piace la tua borsa. I like your bag. I like your bag. Adoro il caffè qui. L'hai provato prima? I love the coffee here. Have you tried it before? I love the coffee here. Have you tried it before? Mi piace il tuo cappotto. Posso chiederti dove l'hai preso? I like your coat. Can I ask where you got it? I like your coat. Can I ask where you got it? Mi piace molto la tua nuova acconciatura. I really like your new hairstyle. I really like your new hairstyle. Vorrei parlare con te. I'd like to talk to you. I'd like to talk to you. Cosa sta succedendo? What's going on? What's going on? Come si chiama il tuo cucciolo? What's your puppy's name? What's your puppy's name? Qual è il prossimo viaggio che hai programmato? What's the next trip you have planned? What's the next trip you have planned? Dove hai studiato? Where did you study? Where did you study? È tutto ok? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? È la tua prima visita qui? Is this your first visit here? Is this your first visit here? Non è una bella giornata? Isn't it a lovely day? Isn't it a lovely day? Sembra che nevicherà. It looks like it's going to snow. It looks like it's going to snow. È passato molto tempo, vero? It's been a long time, hasn't it? It's been a long time, hasn't it? È molto tempo che non ci si vede. Long time no see. Long time no see. È bello rivederti. It's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. Bella giornata oggi, vero? Lovely day today, isn't it? Lovely day today, isn't it? Stai benissimo oggi. You look great today. You look great today. Sei in gran forma. You look in great shape. You look in great shape. Bel posto, eh? Pretty nice place, huh? Pretty nice place, huh? C'è qualcosa che voglio dirti. There's something I want to tell you. There's something I want to tell you. Che consiglio puoi darmi? What advice can you give me? What advice can you give me? Di cosa sei felice? What are you happy about? What are you happy about? Che cosa hai fatto? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? A che ora parti per il lavoro? What time do you leave for work? What time do you leave for work?